Welcome to another Tiny Garage video. Today on Tiny Garage, we're going to take a look at this 1993 Ford Mustang LX SSP from Matchbox. This is a police car, and this is a car you don't see very much, which is a Fox Body Mustang police car. Take a look at the card art there. It looks really cool. You can see the police graphics. Really cool fleet hubcaps, and this is part of the Matchbox mainline set. Matchbox Heroic Rescue set. Now ordinarily you would see a Crown Victoria or a Police Interceptor Taurus or maybe an SUV, but this is a Mustang, and they use these in the 80s and 90s for some troopers and departments for police cars. So this one is very, very interesting, and I like the silver and black paint job. It's really cool. So I think let's take a look at it out of its packaging. Okay, so here we have our 1993 Ford Mustang LX SSP out of its packaging. And if we take a look at the side, we can see that police marking on the side and that diagonal stripe. And we can see some other graphics on the sides. We can see State Police over here. We can see 5.0, which is the size of the engine that would have been in this car. And very small print here says Service Above and Beyond the Call, which is the police slogan. And I can't see what this police logo actually is, if it's not a fake one or if it's an actual one from an actual department. It's way too small for me, but it still looks really cool. And we can see the light bar on the top, which is really cool. If we take a look at the front, classic Mustang front, nothing flashy. It doesn't have a hood scoop. It doesn't have a spoiler on the back. It's just a regular two-door Mustang LX, plain Jane. And it has those fleet wheels on the side. Matchbox has these on a lot of their vehicles because they do a lot of utility style vehicles like panel trucks and things like that. So the fleet style wheels with just the hubcaps, they look really cool. And if we take a look at the back, pretty plain, not much going on, but it's still cool because it's a Mustang. And you don't see these very much, especially as a police car. So I really like this one. I think it's going to go in with the rest of our police cars and be a good fit in our collection. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already done it, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything from Tiny Garage. We'll see you on the next video.